Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing Wavefun Flex 3 Sport earphones. Thank you Wavefun for sending me this item so that we can unbox it and review it. But before we start, our sponsor for this video is CDKEYOFFERS.com. Looking for legit and affordable games and software license keys? CDKEYOFFERS got all the stuff you need. Grab legit Windows 11 keys for only $27.74. Want to make it cheaper? It's easy. Simply use my exclusive discount code DUDE20 that will give you a 20% discount off on your purchases. Once paid, you should receive the key immediately and be able to activate it instantly. Fail to receive your key? No worries, as they have 24/7 customer chat support that is ready to assist you almost anytime based on my experience. Going back, let's now start with the unboxing. Straight out of the box, you'll be getting, of course, first this manual right here, and also some spare earpods or silicone earpods in case that it doesn't fit you well. You could replace or change it to a different size right here. And also a micro USB connector. And lastly, of course, the earphones or the Flex 3 earphones itself. Wavefun Flex 3 is built to be flexible, especially the flex band part of the earphones. It feels sturdy and the wire seems to be offered enough with strong matte plastic protection. Aside from this flex band, the actual wire of the earphones on the other hand is a little bit thin, and I feel like it requires a little bit of care when handling. Also, the left and right earphones are magnetic and sticks to each other when close in proximity so that it won't get tangled in wires, or the wires won't get tangled, especially when you are not using it. The LED lights is placed on this volume control panel. As you can see right here, once we hold the center button right here, it will start flashing a blue light, and there's also a basic red light beside the blue light, which will signify whether the earphones is currently playing an audio or when pairing to another device, and other functionalities of this particular Flex 3 earphones. Let's briefly take a look at the specifications of these earphones. The specifications of this earphone straight from the box are the following. It has a Bluetooth 5.0. As for the speakers, it has 10mm titanium plated speakers, and the battery of this particular earphones is quite big. It has a 200 mAh battery with a runtime of around 30 hours when using or playing music, and also it has a processor Qualcomm QCC3034 and a microphone of GeoEartec 2718, and the Bluetooth technology has a dual mode or the low energy mode. The low energy mode is activated when the earphones is connected via Bluetooth on a particular device such as your smartphone and you are not playing any music at all, so it won't consume much of the energy. The audio technology as highlighted here is the Qualcomm aptX HD technology, which would support high quality or high resolution audio. From my observation, I've tested Flex 3 while playing games and listening to music. Based on my observation, I noticed that the audio quality of Wavefun Flex 3 is tuned to emphasize more of the mid-range frequencies of audio. In other words, the vocals and speeches are sharper and generally louder. The benefits of this is when listening to music, you'd hear more clearly the actual vocals of the artists. And also when accepting calls or messages, it would be much clearer to understand speech and dialogue between calls. You might be wondering, how about the bass quality of Flex 3? From a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say it has around 6.5. It doesn't have the very deep bass if I'm going to compare this with other brands that I've tested and have been using before. But the bass is still noticeable, however, it's not that impactful. Hopefully you know what I'm saying. Next up, another thing I noticed is that when you are connecting via a computer or a laptop, preferably you should turn off your Wi-Fi. Or if you have an external Wi-Fi adapter like this one, I suggest you to try to plug it on another port not so close to your external Bluetooth adapter or the Bluetooth adapter on your computer. Otherwise, you might be hearing some interference when connecting to the computer via Bluetooth, and I noticed that once I've disabled my Wi-Fi adapter, it's basically gone. So it could be that the Wi-Fi signal or the Wi-Fi frequencies are interfering with the Bluetooth connection on this particular earphones.
This will be the audio quality when you are using the Wavefun Flex 3 earphones on your smartphone, especially when you are calling or accepting calls via the Bluetooth earphones.
As for my final verdict for this Flex 3 earphones of Wavefun, I believe one thing that stands out, and that is the long runtime of these earphones. It has a 200 mAh battery, and I tested it myself, and it claims to run music for about 30 hours, and did my actual test, and it got drained at around 27 to 28 hours of music runtime. It's just unfortunate that the charging port of this one is still a micro USB port and not a Type-C port. I believe it could be improved on the next models or production of Wavefun. Audio quality wise, the Flex 3 performs extremely well in tuning and emphasizing the low mid and higher mid frequencies or vocals when listening to music. The sub and low bass frequencies are for me only average, so when it comes to the bass quality, I believe there are other models or brands that outperforms Flex 3. The mic quality is only okay. It is fairly loud and audible enough for calls and voice messages. However, it is not suitable for high quality audio recording or vocals. Let's say for example, if you want to record your voice singing. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I managed to give you insights about the unboxing and review of Wavefun Flex 3. Feel free to leave your comments and feedbacks down below. And also I would appreciate it if you could hit the like and subscribe button to get more helpful tech stuff in the future. As always, it's your Tech Dude here. See you in my next videos.